Hi fellow designers, you welcome to another tutorial video where I'll be showing you how I created this 3D rotation phone mockup with just Pixellab. So let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing is to open a new project, then let's just give it a black background as that one. So I have different rotation mockups, so I'll share you the link to download it. Just check the link in the description so you can just get yours and also use it. You get. So let me look for it. Should be here. You can also get more from Google. Just go to Google and search for 3D rotation phone mockup PNG, then download it. You should also be able to get it on Pinterest. Yes, look at this one, 1 2 3. So let's use this one. Let's just use that one. This one, good. So this was how I downloaded it. Then I changed the color of the 3D rotation using the color filters, because if I click on color like this and I click on enable, it will not be 3D again, it will be 2D. Look at it. Can you see how it looks? But if I still want it to retain the quality, I'll just move it to color filters, then adjust the hue like this. Can you see? I can also increase the brightness like this. You get. So that's just it. Then you align this one to the middle and lock it. After locking it, click on shapes, adjust it like this, then increase the radius to 10. After that, click on it, scroll down to perspective, enable perspective, then zoom out like this, zoom in like this. Then you start arranging it, you start adjusting it, you make it exactly how the phone mockup is. Start adjusting it like this. Keep zooming in to see it very well. Zoom in to see the mockup very well and to see what you are doing perfectly. So make sure that you are like maxing out the exact shape. You get. Then you do that. Should not take you more than 5 minutes to do that. Make sure you enable your perspective so it can show. Zoom in to see it very well, to see what you're doing very well. Then you click on the good icon, click on it, then send to back. After sending to back, click on texture to import the screenshots of whatever you want to mock up. Then click on the gallery icon. Then you can choose anything from your screenshots. Let's just choose, okay, let's use this one. Can you see? So if you notice this place very well, you will notice that, look at it, can you see? Look at, it's more like it is duplicating. So here is what you will do. You click on this one, click on edit, then you reduce the size like this to the place that it's reach. Then click on the good icon, then you adjust it again from the perspective. Before you adjust it, you check very well if it has fit perfectly into it. Look at it, there's still a space down, so you click on it again, click on edit, then adjust it up like this small till it is no longer duplicating. So after doing that, you click on it, delete the texture like this, then go to perspective to adjust it. Zoom in to see what you're doing very well, then adjust it like this. You get. Adjust it like this, then you make sure that you sent it to back. Click on texture, click on the gallery icon, then you choose it again, then you just crop it out a little bit like this, and this one out. So click on the good icon. Can you see? Look at that, it is showing everything perfectly and nothing is duplicating. Can you see? Look at how easy it is. Look at it, it is so easy. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notification for more amazing tutorials from the Creative Queen. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.